Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to make Faceless YouTube channel using AI. Tips for building identity, engagement, and growth. Today's tutorial is dedicated to helping you launch your own YouTube channel while keeping your identity private. Yes, you heard it right. We are talking about creating Faceless channel that is not only engaging but also set for success. If you have ever come across YouTube channels where the creator remains behind the scenes but still manages to rake in significant profits, you are in for a treat. I will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you understand the ins and outs, so be sure to stick around until the very end because I've got a lot of valuable information to share with you. But before we get into the specifics, let me provide you a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let's get started. The initial and crucial step in this journey is to carefully choose a niche that not only aligns with your interests, but also allows you to create content without the need to reveal your face. There is a vast array of options to explore, ranging from tech reviews and cooking tutorials to gaming walkthroughs, motivational content, and even a channel geared towards kids. The key is to select something you are genuinely passionate about and feel comfortable presenting without being physically on camera. If you find yourself uncertain about which niche to dive into, or if you are seeking inspiration, there is a valuable tool at your disposal, ChatGPT, an AI-powered assistant. This tool can assist you in identifying your niche by generating ideas and insights. For instance, if you are considering creating a kids animation, simply prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Write me a short kids animation about," and share your story concept, characters, and any specific details you envision for the animated adventure. It is a fantastic way to brainstorm and shape your creative ideas. Similarly, if you are leaning towards historical content, you can utilize ChatGPT to craft scripts based on historical events or figures. And if motivation is your focus, seek ChatGPT's assistance in generating impactful motivational quotes or content to inspire your audience. In essence, the versatility of ChatGPT allows you to tailor your content creation process to the specific niche you have in mind for your channel. So, the power is in your hands. Explore, experiment, and decide what niche resonates with you and your audience. Now, let us delve into the realm of branding, a crucial aspect of establishing a distinctive presence for your Faceless YouTube channel. Your channel name, logo, and channel art play pivotal roles in shaping your identity and capturing the attention of your audience. Crafting an appealing and memorable brand is not just about aesthetics. It is about conveying the essence of your content and creating a lasting impression. Start by brainstorming a channel name that resonates with your niche and easy for your audience to remember. It should be reflective of the content you plan to offer, creating a sense of coherence for your viewers. Once you have nailed down the perfect name, it is time to move on to the visual elements of your brand. Create an eye-catching logo that serves as a visual representation of your channel. This logo should not only be visually appealing, but also align with the themes and tone of your content. Remember, your logo is often the first thing viewers notice, so make it memorable and reflective of your unique style. Equally important is your channel art, the banner that sits at the top of your YouTube channel. This is a prime opportunity to showcase your creativity and provide a glimpse into the kind of content viewers can expect. Use Canva, a versatile graphic design platform, to easily create and customize your logo and channel art. Canva offers user-friendly tools and a wide range of templates, making the design process accessible even if you are not a graphic design expert. Now, when it comes to your profile picture, opt for an avatar or logo instead of a personal photo. This not only adds a layer of anonymity, which is crucial for a faceless channel, but it also reinforces your brand identity. Using an avatar or logo as your profile picture ensures that viewers can easily recognize your channel across different platforms. In summary, your branding is the visual representation of your channel's identity, and it plays a significant role in attracting and retaining viewers. Take the time to create a cohesive and visually appealing brand using tools like Canva, and let your logo and channel art become the visual ambassadors of your captivating content. Voiceovers hold tremendous significance in delivering your content effectively, as they become the primary auditory connection between you and your audience. Your voice becomes the narrative thread that guides viewers through your videos, making it a pivotal element in maintaining engagement. When it comes to incorporating voiceovers into your videos, leveraging AI tools can be a game changer. These tools offer remarkable capabilities in generating high-quality voiceovers that resonate with your content. For instance, platforms like ElevenLabs provide efficient and reliable solutions for creating voiceovers that match the tone and style of your videos. However, if you possess a pleasant and captivating voice, utilizing your own narration skills can add a personal touch to your content. Your voice can be a powerful tool in connecting with your audience on a more intimate level. Ensuring clarity and infusing enthusiasm into your narration can significantly enhance viewer engagement, keeping them hooked throughout your video. The key lies in choosing the approach that aligns best with your content style and audience preferences. Whether it is utilizing AI-generated voiceovers for efficiency and consistency or using your own voice to establish a genuine connection, the goal remains the same: to deliver content that captivates and resonates with your viewers. So, explore these options and find the voiceover method that complements your content and keeps your audience eagerly tuned in. When it comes to complementing your content, especially for niches like motivational quotes or historical presentations, visuals play a vital role. Integrating images that align with your chosen niche can significantly enhance the impact of your videos. Consider utilizing text-to-images AI-generated tools as a powerful resource. These tools offer a convenient and efficient way to create visually compelling content that complements your message. They enable you to transform text-based content, such as quotes or historical excerpts, into captivating images that resonates with your audience. Moreover, text-to-videos AI-generated tools takes this a step further by allowing you to convert text into engaging video content. This dynamic approach can elevate your presentations, making them more immersive and engaging for your viewers. I highly recommend checking out a video I have made specifically addressing this topic. It delves into the diverse range of text-to-images and text-to-videos AI-generated tools available, showcasing how they can be seamlessly integrated into your content creation process. Watching this video will provide you with valuable insights into the different tools available, their functionalities, and how they can be utilized to elevate the visual appeal of your channel. By incorporating these AI-generated tools into your content creation process, you can amplify the visual impact of your videos, making them more captivating and engaging for your audience. So, take the time to explore these resources and discover how they can enhance the visual storytelling aspect of your channel. When it comes to enhancing the audio experience of your videos, incorporating music is a fantastic way to elevate the overall quality of your content. However, finding free copyrighted music is crucial, especially if you plan to monetize your videos. I highly recommend exploring platforms like Pixabay or TuneTanks, both of which offer a wide selection of free music options. By using their music, you can ensure that your videos comply with copyright regulations, allowing you to monetize your content without any legal concerns. Navigating the rules for using these platforms is a straightforward process, ensuring that you can easily integrate their music into your videos. It is a win-win situation. You enhance the auditory appeal of your content while staying within the bounds of copyright regulations. Now, onto the video editing aspect. I personally recommend using CapCut. It is a user-friendly and free video editing tool that I am currently using for my own projects. CapCut provides a seamless editing experience, making it an ideal choice, especially for beginners Its intuitive interface and robust features allow you to create professional-looking videos without a steep learning curve. Of course, if you already have access to video editing software like Adobe Premiere, Sony Vegas, or other advanced tools, that is great too. The choice of editing software ultimately depends on your comfort level and the complexity of your editing needs. For beginners, however, CapCut serves as an excellent starting point, offering a solid foundation that you can build upon as you gain more experience. I also have valuable tips that can pave the way for the success of your Faceless YouTube channel. Firstly, maintaining consistency is paramount. Establish a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency extends beyond your posting frequency. It also involves keeping your branding uniform across all your videos. This cohesive approach helps in building a distinct channel identity, providing that you can create a recognizable brand even without showcasing your face. Now, when it comes to the creative project of your content, don't shy away from experimenting with your editing skills. Incorporate overlays, graphics, and text creativity to add layers of depth and engagement to your videos. These elements can serve as visual signatures for your content, making it both visually appealing and distinctive. Remember, a well-edited video can capture and maintain your audience's attention without relying on a face appealing on screen. Equally important is engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, create community posts, and foster a sense of belonging among your viewers. Building a community around your content is not just beneficial, it is crucial for the growth of your channel. This engagement not only strengthens your connection with your audience, but also encourages them to become active participants in the content creation process. As you embark on this exciting venture, remember that practice and experimentation are your greatest allies. If you have questions or need clarification on any aspect, feel free to drop a comment. I am eager to hear about your experiences, challenges, and any insights you'd like to share. Whether the process seems straightforward or presents specific challenges, your feedback is invaluable, and I'm here to provide further guidance and support. Here's to your journey in the world of faceless content creation. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.